Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix fail to start a game on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So without further ado, let's get started. First step, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your GPU drivers is fully updated and you're running with the latest drivers. To do so, I have in the app, I can go to drivers, and if there is a drivers for me that I need to download and install it, I can easily do that here. So first, do this. Second thing what you need to do here, next up, what you need to do is to go to Microsoft Store. On Microsoft Store, you need to look for library. On library, click on the games and look for Minecraft for Windows and make sure it's fully updated. If it's updated, it will be open. If it's not, it will be download button here. And the next thing, what you need to do here, go on search and you just need to write Minecraft for Windows and launch game, not from shortcut, but from here, and look if the problem persists or not. As you can see here, it says it's downloading for me and I just need to wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see here now, the game is running. But if it's not running for you, I will show you what you need to do next. So you need to go to your disk C, usually it is on disk C, then Xbox games, Minecraft for Windows, content, and then you should see a Minecraft .windows.exe. Double click on it and try to launch the game from here. If it's still not working, then again, go on search, write Minecraft for Windows, right click on it, app settings, and on app settings, you need to press repair. Look if the problem persists after that, and if the problem persists, press reset and try to launch the game again, and it should work. That's pretty much it.